Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. So we are back again with one more budget smartwatch video, and this time we have with us the Noise Colorfit Pulse 2. And in today's video, we will do the unboxing and we'll show you how it performs. So here is a box of the Noise Colorfit Pulse 2. In the front of the box we have the picture of the smartwatch, and here we have the model name Colorfit Pulse 2, and it's an active smartwatch. At the back we have the key features, and here we have the watch in the mist grey color. And apart from that, it's available in a few different colors. About the key features, we get the large 1.8-inch TFT display, SpO2 monitoring, multi-sports modes, heart rate monitoring, 100 plus cloud-based watch faces, and this smartwatch is IP68 waterproof. The companion app for this smartwatch is the Noise Fit, which is available for both Android and iOS platform. The MRP of this watch on the box is Rs 4,999. However, this smartwatch is going to be launched tomorrow at an introductory price of just Rs 1,999. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the documentations, and here we have the welcome card, and then here we have the warranty information, and then we get the user guide, and this has the detailed info about how to use this smartwatch, and after that we get the noise stickers, and then we have the smartwatch itself. And guys, my first impression about this smartwatch is that it looks big and well built. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the charging cable, and it's a magnetic cable, and here is how it connects at the back of the smartwatch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Noise Colorfit Pulse 2 is the latest version in the Colorfit Pulse series. This smartwatch comes under a budget segment, and even though the pricing is less, you still get a good build quality and design. The straps of the watch looks good, and they're very comfortable on the wrist. The body of the watch is made up of polycarbonate, and that is the main reason that this smartwatch feels really lightweight. Now in terms of the overview, in the front of the watch we have the 1.8-inch TFT display, and you get the curved glass. And this time we have a larger display as compared to the 1.4-inch of the Colorfit Pulse. And also we have the less bezels on the top and bottom. At the side of the watch, now we have a crown function button, and at the back we have the sensors along with the charging points. So in terms of the design and build quality, keeping in mind that this smartwatch is under Rs 2,000, I'm again very impressed with this smartwatch. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So here it is on, and for pairing, we need to go to the app Noise Fit, and in the add device section, just select the Pulse 2 from the list. And that's it, the smartwatch is now ready to use. Now let me quickly show you the watch features. So here we are on the watch face, and guys, I find this large display very good, and you get pretty good viewing angles. Now about the overview. So upon long pressing on the watch face, you can switch between different watch faces, and you can also add more watch faces through the app. Swiping down from the top will show you the quick settings, and here we have the brightness, DND, torch, battery saving mode, and the settings. You can swipe left or right on the watch face to access the quick apps such as heart rate, stress monitoring, sleep, music, etc. To access the main menu, you would need to swipe up from the bottom. And guys, here I must tell you that the touch response is good, and there is a very minimal lag in the menu. In terms of the menu, so first we have the noise health, and here we have the activity records, which will show you the current day's fitness data. And then we have the heart rate, and guys, this watch supports continuous heart rate monitoring, and the data is also accurate. And as you can see, we get a similar reading in our dedicated heart rate monitor. And similarly, we get a fairly accurate reading for the SpO2 monitoring. Then in the menu we have the stress monitoring, and here it shows a score letting you know how stressed you are. And also, this smartwatch does support all-day stress monitoring. After that we have the sleep, which will show you the details of your last night's sleep. And then we have the period tracking for females. And lastly we have the breath training to calm yourself down. Then in the main menu, we have the workouts, and here we have a lot of workout options. And in total, you get 50 plus workout modes. Then we have the sport record, which will show you the workout history. After that we have the music, and with this, you can control the music on your phone as well as increase or decrease the volume. Then we have the messages, which will show you the notification history. And after that, we have the weather. And here you can see the current weather conditions as well as the weather forecast for upcoming 3 days. And then we have the usual stopwatch, timer with some preset timers, alarm, and the find phone option, which plays a ringtone on your phone. And then we have the camera, and guys, you can use a smartwatch to control the native camera app on your phone, which is a very good and a much required feature. And then finally, we have the settings. In the settings, First we have the screen settings, and here we have the watch faces and the screen timeout settings. And then we have the night mode, which you can schedule from here. After that we have the DND option, and then we have the race to wake feature. And guys, the race to wake feature in this watch works alright, but there is a slight lag in the response. Then in the settings we have the brightness, and this watch is pretty bright and you get good visibility during sunny outdoor conditions, and that is due to the high 500 nits brightness. After that in the settings we have the usual power off, reset and the restart option. So that's all the options we have on the watch, and guys, I must tell you that this is a feature-rich smartwatch and you're getting almost everything which you have in a premium smartwatch, and I'm surprised that this watch is priced at 1,999. Now about the companion app NoiseFit. So we have covered this app in a lot of our previous videos, so I'll be showing you just the main features. So here we are on the home page, and you have the fitness data along with the health data. Then we have the watch face page, and here you can use a custom watch face or choose from the available 100 plus cloud-based watch faces. And also, I forgot to mention this earlier, that you get the animated watch face support in this smartwatch. Then we have the settings page, and here you can see the connected device on the top. And then here we have the notifications and alerts. And from here, you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your smartwatch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, in this smartwatch, you can reject the call or send a quick reply message, which is pretty good. And now let me show you the message notification. And here as well, you get the quick replies, but unfortunately, we don't get the emoji support. After that in the settings, we have the alerts such as idle alert, drink water reminder, and then we have the auto heart rate monitoring. And from here, you can enable the continuous heart rate monitoring. After that we have the weather settings, and lastly, we have the quick replies. And from here, you can rearrange or edit the quick reply messages. So overall, the Noise Colorfit Pulse 2 is a very good upgrade from the original Colorfit Pulse. You're getting a better design and build quality, and the display is bigger with the better performance and touch response. The fitness data is also accurate, and this smartwatch is also very comfortable on the hand, and it does look pretty good. The battery performance is also very good, and with the moderate usage, you will get up to 7 days of battery backup. So in short, if you're looking for a decent looking smartwatch and don't want to spend a lot, then we highly recommend you to check out the Noise Colorfit Pulse 2. And at this price point, we think it's the best budget smartwatch you can buy right now under Rs 2000. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise Colorfit Pulse 2. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.